Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our 15th lesson and our lesson topic is Story Magic. Make engaging Instagram stories with CapCut templates. So in this class you'll be learning about how to create stories for Instagram, and so now let's go over to the CapCut web-based application and see how we are going to create this one, because you can access the templates from only the web browser. After coming over to the CapCut web interface, you'll get this type of interface over here. So now let's go and click over to the templates, and we are going to use a video. So for that one, let's write here Instagram stories, Instagram story, and let's click on search. It will take some time to search and it will just bring you different type of templates, and you can just access any one of them and you can just put particular photo or particular video on it. So now let's wait for this one. So now you can see we're having so many templates for Instagram story. You can just access any one of this and you can just work with this one. I won't be showing all the templates over here. I'll just select a particular one and we'll continue with that one. So here you can see I just choose this particular template. Let's click on this and you can see it's just changing photos and with different type of transition and how many photos you need. So if you want to add 39 photos, you can just use this one. If you don't want to add 39 photos, also you can use this one, but the length will be shorter. So now let's click on this one and it will just take some time to load. By the time, I'll just go over here once again and let's click over to our space. So here I want to upload the particular files which I'm going to use. So for this one, let's click on upload media, upload files. I'll go over to the download. Here you can see I just downloaded some random photos of some night sky. So I'll just select each one of them. After selecting, it will just get uploaded there. Now after uploading, we just need to wait for some time. So it will just take some time to upload. So it's uploading. Let's go over to our particular page. So you can see here different photos are there. You can just change these photos and you can just work with this one. I don't want to keep the audio. I'll just decrease it. You can just change the audio. So now let's refresh this particular page once again. Before, let's see our particular files are uploaded or not. It's still uploading, so let's wait for some time. I want to mention that I am downloading photo from pixels.com. You can just download photos from there, videos from there, and all those photos and videos are copyright free, so you no need to have to worry about the copyright issues. So now let's go and refresh this one once again. By refreshing, you will have all your photos whichever you have uploaded. Now we have to do manually, like each photo one by one, and then you can just make it. For desktop app, you have to put all the photos, then you have to arrange, you have to put the transition between each photos, and then you have to put the music, everything you have to do by your own. Here you're having the templates, only you can just put it over here and it will just simply get uploaded. So let's click over here. We can just have a batch replace, or you can just replace one by one like this. So we'll do one by one, because we are not having all 39 photos. So we'll do one by one and replace. So let's wait for the process. And so as you can see, our 24 photos has been added. I don't need this particular remaining photos or the slides, so I can just delete this one, or I can just hide all this. So it will not be shown in my particular video. So let's hide this one. As you can see, I'm hiding and the video length is decreasing now. Now you can see our 24 photos are there and remaining all the photos are hidden. Now let's play this one once again and wait for the transitions. I don't want to play the music, only the transition you will be showing. So here you can see the transitions between each photo, and like that you can add different text over this one and then you can just export. I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.